I'm John Harrison, and I am the drummer for Story of a Traitor and a part-time drummer in my other band, Ocean Sleep. The Story of a Traitor is a metalcore project heavily based around synths, and Ocean Sleep is my MySpace revival band. I've been playing drums for around 4 years, and it's led me to both of these bands, being able to drum, being able to even help write guitar, get in the studio and write music. I play with the sticks 5AR. They offer me a bit more reach for that splash, for that bell. They're the strongest sticks I've ever had, and I cannot praise them enough. And they also give me a bit more leverage just to be able to hit a little bit harder, which I think everybody likes a bit of that every now and then. The upcoming video is a playthrough of my band playing through 2 new releases, which are scheduled for the very start of next year. I've got one song called Gen Z's Trying to Cancel Eminem, and the other song is God Gives His Silliest Juice to His Silliest Goose. Pardon the names, they are just placeholders. But I hope you enjoy.